In this video, I want to show you how to use a cycle type called layers. What that is if you have a pallet like this, where you have one layer boxes, you have that there. We're going to hit start on here. It's going to wrap that. It's going to see it's at the top of the pallet, then it's going to stop. Then I'm going to stack another layer on, put it on here, hit start again. It's going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to do a third layer. When I get to the last layer, I'm just going to hit start again. So I'm going to hit it twice. Then it knows I'm actually at the top end of the pallet, and I'm going to finish the wrap cycle. So let's go over here and show you how we can get that setting going. All right, so I like what I had in program 1, so I'm going to use that as my baseline again. I'm going to jog down to go to cycle type, go there, and I'm going to choose layers, hit OK. Then I'm going to go up and save user program, and I'm going to save it as number 4 because I still want to keep that number 1. So I saved it as 4, complete. Now I can just go to 4 and I can hit start and we'll get going.